Hello and welcome to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to clear Telegram cache on Windows. First, open Telegram on your Windows PC. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down and click on Advanced. Here you will see the Manage Local Storage section. Click on it to see how much space Telegram is using for cached files. You will see options like Clear Media Cache. To remove unnecessary files, click on Clear. If you want to free up more space, you can also click Clear All, which will remove all downloaded files, photos, and videos from Telegram. Remember, this does not delete your chats or messages. That is how you can easily clear Telegram cache on Windows. Thank you for watching.